Do you know that writing is incomplete without inserting the right punctuations? Punctuation marks are what helps your readers to understand what you are talking about. Punctuation marks serve as a guide. It tells your reader what you mean. Example, question mark. A question mark is used to end a sentence that asks for reply. Example, will you give me a book? Will he come? Question marks are not used in indirect questions. Example, he inquired why I was late to school. There shouldn't be a question mark there. Many questions are signaled by question words like who, which, what, when, why, whose. Apostrophe. An apostrophe is used to show something belongs to someone, to form the possessive form of noun. Example, this is John's pen. It is nobody's business. We met in Joe's car. We met at Joe's house. Possessive form for plural nouns ending in S. That's the sign. The S is only added to nouns and not to possessive pronoun. Hers, yours, ours, theirs. They do not add apostrophe S to them, no. So don't forget that the apostrophe is used to denote that some letters have been left out from the word. Okay? See you in our next class.